Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast of the Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to upload files and folder in Google Drive and how you can share it. So I will show you step by steps what is the permission, how you can share it, and how you can use the Google Drive. So I'm going to show you on my desktop, but if you're using the iPhone or Android phone, you can follow the same step. Okay. So here I'm on my Google Drive. So first log in with your Gmail account. After login, go to the Google Drive. Then Drive will be open like this. Okay, it's opening. Okay, it is Google Photo. Let me open Google Drive. Yeah, so this is my drive which I have files which I uploaded and maybe create it like this. Okay, if I create form or slide or sheet or docs, so it will be saved here only. Okay, so you can see I have created folder also. I can create folder like this. Okay, test folder. Okay, you can see I just create stage folder 12 and I can upload it, open it, and I can upload any files from computer or folder from computer. If I click on files upload, then you can upload any files from your computer. Okay, so you can see in downloads I have images. Okay, you can see I have images, file, everything. So I just add this image. So this ad will be upload in this folder only. Okay, so I can share. So that is how you can upload and share. You can upload file. You can also upload file in home page, home, but I suggest you create a folder of particular files and you can upload. Now you can share this particular file to others. How you can share? Just click on right and you can share by email. Click on share. Now you can enter the person email to whom you want to share. Just type your message, and this is file you trying to share. Okay, and this is permission you have to edit. So if there is a editor, you give the permission as a editor, means person can edit this file, delete this file from your Google Drive. So make it like viewer, so it can only views your file. So just send. And another way to share files, go to the and get the links, and here you can get the links. You can change the restricted to anyone over this link, means anyone over this link can open your file. Now make the permission as viewer and copy your link, and now you can paste this link on email, WhatsApp, Messenger, anywhere you want. Okay, so if I paste this link here, so person who can access the file, who will who can the person who receive this link, he can access of this particular image. Okay, so now you can just, so there's a two type of sharing you will have. First you can share by email, or second on link. Okay, so this is about file, but you can also share the folder also. Okay, so this is folder, the same way you can share. So whatever files in this particular folder will be shared to persons or peoples. So you can share the same way, share by emails or share by links. That is how you can upload the files and share on Google Drive. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.